the Chicago Electric welding helmet. So we're gonna go ahead and review this helmet and let you guys know how good it works. I'm not professionally welding, just doing stuff around the house whenever I got a little project. All right, looks like it comes with an extra replacement for the front. This one already has one here. It's got an adjustment on the side. It's got adjustments inside for sensitivity and the delay. And it's also got another plastic coating that you gotta remove inside. Come on. Oh yeah, I don't think that was supposed to happen, but okay. Put that back in. I got a big head. Well, it fits my head, so. Oh yeah, cool, I can actually see through it. We'll start welding, we'll see if it comes on and off. The thing I don't know is, I don't know how this thing works. Does it need batteries, or? Let's look at the manual. All right, so it's solar powered with battery assistance. And like I said, what's cool about this, there's adjustments in here for sensitivity and how much of a delay you want. Of course, I'll have to play with it because I've never had an automatic helmet before. All right, let's get the project ready to start welding and see if that helmet works. Let's see what we got here. The helmet, I don't know, man, it's unbelievable. It works really, really good. You do have to adjust it so it gets a little darker. I had it on 6, it wasn't dark enough. But the delay and sensitivity is right on the money. I like it where it's at. All right, so the helmet, very impressed with it, very impressed with it. It goes on and off like it should. You can adjust how dark it gets here. It's very impressive. You know, for $38, you just can't go wrong, man. This thing is unbelievable. It's so nice. I still have the habit of flipping it up because I'm so used to the old style helmets to see what you were doing. But yeah, this thing is incredible. I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up. This is the way to go right here, man. It's not even worth buying any other helmet. Chicago Electric welding helmet. Get yourself one if you're gonna weld with any kind of welder. All right, folks, leave it in comments if you have that helmet. If you like it, don't like it, tell me what you like about it, tell me what you don't like about it. I'm very impressed with it for the price. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and you know, like I said, leave comments. All right, bye-bye.